Nursery, LKG. Sight words. For age group 3 to 4.
I, the, am, is, it, in, on, up, to, we, me, my, you, go.
I
am happy. Look at the picture. A smiling child with hands up. I see a cat. Look at the picture. A child pointing at a cat. The sun is bright. Look at the picture. A big, smiling sun in the sky. I am a boy. Look at the picture. A boy waving and smiling. She is my friend. Look at the picture. Two kids holding hands. It is red. Look at the picture. A red ball or apple. The toy is in the box. Look at the picture. A toy inside a box. Look up at the stars. Look at the picture. A child looking at stars in the sky. I go to school. Look at the picture. A child with a backpack walking to school. We're friends. Look at picture. A group of smiling kids together. Give me the ball. Look at the picture. A child with hands open waiting for a ball. This is my dog. Look at the picture. A child hugging a dog. You are kind. Look at the picture. A child giving a flower to another. Let's go home. Look at the picture. A parent and child walking towards a house. Follow for more. Thank you. Please subscribe for part 2.